Good morning all of you. Welcome back to Maths online class. I am Balachandra, Maths teacher from Adarsh Vidyalaya Metric High Secondary School, Palladu. Standard 9, subject Mathematics. So far we have covered in third chapter first 4 exercises and fifth exercise we have started and we have done first 2 sums in that exercise. The problem related to factorization by using an identity. You have learned algebraic identities already. Let us recall once again. It will help us to solve problems in this exercise. So now we are going to recall basic in algebraic identities. The first one, a plus b whole square. I have written as a plus b into a plus b. It means a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. If you take this as a quadratic polynomial, இது ஒரு quadratic polynomial எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படினா இந்த quadratic polynomial ஓட factors என்னென்ன அப்படினா these two, a plus b and a plus b. You know very well, factorization is the reverse of multiplication. When you multiply these two factors, you can get this polynomial. That's why we say it is the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Like second polynomial, a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a minus b whole square. It means a minus b into a minus b. The third one, a square minus b square. This is the polynomial. These two are the factors. So a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. The third one, a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. This is a cubic polynomial. Their factors are a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. You know that this is also a quadratic polynomial. It cannot be factorized. That's why we have written as it is. Okay. So a cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Next a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A slight difference from this one and this one. If a cube minus b cube means you put minus sign here. A cube plus b cube means you put minus here. Keep it in your mind. Next, a plus b plus c whole square expansion. Actually, it means a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. So, here b is in positive sign. If it is in negative sign, what will happen? Is that a minus b plus c whole square expansion. When you multiply by b, எந்தெந்த பிளேஸ்ல எல்லாம் b ஆல நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கோமோ அந்த டர்ம்ஸ் மட்டும் மைனஸ் வரும், ரிமைனிங் டர்ம்ஸ் பிளஸ். சோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் a square b square அப்படிங்கிறது minus b whole square. You know that negative number raised to the power even means that is positive. So minus b whole square is always positive. So a square plus b square plus c square, this is constant. இந்த மாதிரி வர எல்லா ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்க்குமே அதாவது எல்லா ஐடென்டிட்டிக்குமே இது பிளஸ்ல தான் வரும். மைனஸ் எங்க வரும் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த b ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 2 into ab, 2ab is minus, so minus 2ab. Next 2bc, b is minus, so minus 2bc. And a and c are positive. When you multiply positive into positive, it becomes positive, so 2ac. Okay. So try to practice. If minus is here, அதாவது c is in negative sign, what will happen? If a is negative, what will happen? You try to practice it. It is also given in your textbook. Okay, next one. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So these two are the factors of this cubic polynomial. I hope you all understand. Learn these identities properly. definitely it will help us to solve the problems. Look at the first problem in this exercise 3.5. Already we have done first two sums. Now we are going to solve question number 3. Look at the question. 4x square plus 9y square plus 25z square plus 12xy plus 30yz plus 20xz. Look at the identities. Which one we are going to apply here? Actually, instead of a and b, here x, y, z are given. A, b and c, x, y, z are given. So this one a plus b plus c, instead of a x is given, instead of b y is given, instead of c z is given. So expansion, look at the expansion, a square plus b square plus c square. So x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. So x square, I am going to write this 4x square be 2x whole square, because you know that 4 is 2 square, like 9y square, 3y square, 3 square value 9 plus this 25 is 5z the whole square. Now a square plus b square plus c square, like this. What will be there? Plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. How can we write it? Plus 2. What is a? You know that this is a. 2 into 2x plus b is 3y. Multiply them. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 12. 12xy. It is here. So it can be written as like this: 2ab plus 2bc. What is b? 3y. Into c is 5z. Let us verify it. 2 into 3 6, 6 into 5 30, 30y is also. The last one 20xz. 20 into, actually this can be written as 2ca. 2 into what is c? 5z and a is 2x. Multiply them. 2 into 5 10, 10 into 2 20. 20xz. Okay, so this can be written as like this. It is an identity, you know that. The factors, it means if you take this as a polynomial, without a factors a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. So in the place of a 2x is there, in the place of b 3y, in the place of c 5z. Okay, students. So this is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. What is a? 2x plus what is b? 3y. What is c? 5z. Okay, therefore the factors of this polynomial is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 5z whole square. Either you can write whole square form or it will be written as twice. Okay, this is the factor. So if you know this, you can solve this problem. Now question number 3, second subdivision. First one we have completed. The second one is 25x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 20xy plus 12yz minus 30xz. The same formula we are going to apply here, but sign only changed. Where should we change the sign? Look at this. Here x and y have minus sign. So either x have minus sign or y have minus sign. This also. Here x and z. X z has minus sign. So we can find by using this one and this one, x should be minus. X should be minus. So நம்ம என்ன சேஞ்ச் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படினா இந்த ஃபார்முலாவை ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிடுறோம். எப்படி எழுதலாம்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபார்முலா எழுதுங்க. 25x ஸ்கொயர் அப்படினா 5x the whole square plus 2y the whole square plus 3z the whole square minus இருக்கிறதுனால மைனஸ் சைனை கொடுக்கணும். மைனஸ் அப்போ a அதாவது 2ab சொல்லிருக்கேன். இங்க 2ab னா 2 into what is a 5x What is b? 2y. Next plus, this can be written as, it means 2bc. What is b? 2 into b is 2y and c is 3z, and minus is here, so minus, so 2 into ca, 2ca, c is 3z and a is 5z. Okay, so here a is equal to 5x and b is equal to 2y and c is equal to 3z. But a ங்கிற பிளேஸ்ல மட்டும் என்ன நம்ம எடுத்துக்கோம் அப்படினா மைனஸ் வருது. இங்க என்னெல்லாம் x வருதோ அந்த இடத்துல மைனஸ் வருது. இங்க x இருக்கு மைனஸ் இருக்கு. இங்க x இருக்கு மைனஸ் இருக்கு. சோ என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம் அப்படினா இந்த x ங்கிறத மட்டும் நம்ம மைனஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம். அப்போ இங்க -5x instead of a -5x I am going to take. So the factors are a plus b plus c தான், but a க்கு பதிலா -5x plus 2y plus 3z. இப்போ இதோட ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர் தான் திஸ் ஒன். இது வேணா நீங்க மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிடுவாங்க. மைனஸ் ஆல இங்க மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனால இது மைனஸ் ஆகும். அடுத்து இதுவும் இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது பிளஸ் ஆயிடும். பிளஸ் இன்டு பிளஸ் பிளஸ். But when you multiply this one and this one, you will get minus. Understand? So this is the expansion. Not only this, இதெல்லாம் இன்னொரு எக்ஸ்பான்ஷன் இருக்கு. So அதை நீங்க பிராக்டீஸ் பண்ணி பாருங்க. Okay? Next question number 4. The first subdivision, the question is 8x cube plus 125y cube. இதோட எக்ஸ்பான்ஷன் பார்க்கணும். 8x cube plus 125y cube ஓட factors. இது ஒரு cubic polynomial தெரியும். So this identity also we have learned. Look at this. A cube plus b cube. If it is in the form of a cube plus b cube, we can write this as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. But what is a and what is b? We have to identify them. I am going to take this 8. The 8 எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா 2 cube ஓட வேல்யூ தான் 8. 2 cube is equal to 8. So we can write this as 2x whole power 3. 2x whole power 3 plus 125 அப்படிங்கிறது 5 cube ஓட வேல்யூ. So 5y whole power 3. Now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So can be written as a plus b. So 2x plus 5y. First a plus b I have written into a square. What is a? 2x. இதோட ஸ்கொயர் என்ன அப்படினா 4x square. ax sorry a square அப்படிங்கும்போது என்ன வரும்? 2x square அப்படினா 4x square minus a into b. a is 2x and b is 5y. You can write it here. a equal to 2x and b is equal to 5y. So a into b அப்படினா 2x into 5y. 2 into 5y then x y plus b square. b is 5y. b square அப்படினா 25y square. This is the, these two are the factors of this cubic polynomial. Right. One more problem, but here minus sign is there. So what is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. So that identity we are going to apply here. Here also I am going to take this 27 as 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27. Already x has cube, so you can recognize 3x whole power 3 minus 2y whole power 3. Here a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 2y. So a cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b. So a is 3x minus b is 2y. A minus b into a square. So 3x whole square அப்படினா 9x square plus ab. 3x into 2y. 3 into 2 6x y plus b square. B square oda value 2y whole square na 4y square. So these two are the factors of this cubic polynomial. I hope you understand. here we applied two identities. First one a cube plus b cube, second one a cube minus b cube. So learn these identities properly. Okay children, next fourth question, third subdivision. The question is a power 6 minus 64. So a power 6 இதெல்லாம் நம்ம பார்க்கவே இல்லை, இந்த ஐடென்டிட்டிஸ்ல பார்க்கலையே அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், ரிடக்ட் பண்ண போறோம். இதை சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி ஏதாவது ஒரு ஐடென்டிட்டி அப்ளை பண்ண முடியுமா அப்படின்னு நம்ம திங்க் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, இந்த a பவர் 6 நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா a ஸ்கொயர் ஹோல் பவர் 3 எழுதலாம், ஆர் இன்னொரு டேர்ம் எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா a cube whole power 3 இப்படி எழுதலாம். So either you can write this as this one or this one. So இங்க 64 இருக்கு, 64 ங்கிறது என்னது, 8 ஸ்கொயர். அப்போ நம்ம இந்த ஃபார்முலா எடுத்துக்கலாம். இந்த ஃபார்முலா எடுத்துட்டோம்னா இன்சைட்ல என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா இந்த 8 வந்து 2 கியூப் னு எழுதிக்கலாம். ஓகே, லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல்லி. இந்த a பவர் 6 நான் எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா a ஸ்கொயர் a cube whole power, the second one எடுத்துங்க, minus 864 8 ஸ்கொயர், 8 ஸ்கொயர். ஓகே, இப்போ பாருங்க a ஸ்கொயர் minus b ஸ்கொயர், a ஸ்கொயர் minus b ஸ்கொயர். a ஸ்கொயர் minus b ஸ்கொயரோட எக்ஸ்பான்ஷன் என்ன, a plus b into a minus b. சோ a ங்கற பிளேஸ்ல a cube இருக்கு, b ங்கற பிளேஸ்ல 8 இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? சோ a plus b a minus b எழுதணும். இப்போ a plus b எப்படின்னா a cube plus 8. next a minus b எப்படின்னா a cube minus 8. okay, split பண்ணியாச்சு. again we can apply the identity here. how அப்படின்னா a cube plus this 8 can be written as 2 cube. here also a cube minus 2 cube. it is in the form of a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. This identity, this and this we are going to apply. First and second. a cube plus b cube அப்படினா என்ன வரும் பாருங்க, a plus b into a square minus ab, minus ab na a into 2 na 2a plus b square, 2 square value 4. this one expansion எல்லாமே ப்ராடக்ட்ல தான் எழுதணும், கமாவா போட கூடாது, எல்லாமே ப்ராடக்ட்ல தான் எழுதணும். இப்போ இது a cube minus b cube அப்படினா first a minus b into a square plus ab. so a and b 2a plus b square வந்து 2 square value. okay, a plus 2 into a square minus 2a plus 4 into a minus 2 into a square plus 2a plus 4. இதுதான் இதோட எக்ஸ்பான்ஷன். a power 6 minus 64 நான் எப்படி எக்ஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் a cube whole square minus 8 square எழுதுறேன். here I applied a square minus b square identity. a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. according to this I got it. next இது என்ன ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு அப்படின்னா a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. these three identities we have applied here for getting this answer. understand? prepare well. next question number 5, first subdivision. here I am going to apply this identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. if it is in the form we can replace by these two factors. okay, so first I am going to write this in this form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. how can we write? you know that a, b and c replaced by x, y and 1. x, y and 1. x, y and the third one be 1. okay, first x cube. this y actually b, I am going to take this as b. so 8 y cube can be written as 2y whole power 3. understand? next c cube. what is c? minus 1. so plus of minus 1 whole cube. understand? a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus into minus 3 into ABC. What is A? X. What is B? 2y. What is C? minus 1. If you multiply them, minus into minus becomes plus. So that a plus 6y is there. Understand? Now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So we can replace by this one, a plus b plus c, where a is equal to x cube, b is equal to 2y, and c is equal to minus 1. So a plus b plus c. What is a? X plus b is 2y and c is minus 1. First I have written. Next a square plus b square plus c square. What is a? X. So x square. Next b square 2y whole square. That becomes 4y square. And c square minus 1 square becomes plus 1. Minus ab minus a is x and b is 2y. So 2 into xy minus 2xy minus bc, b into c. Already minus is there, it is in formula. Here one minus, minus into minus plus 2bc. So 2y. Understand? Next minus ca. C is minus 1 and a is x. Minus into minus plus x. These two are the factors of this polynomial. Understand? First we write this in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay? Listen carefully. Once again I repeat this problem. First I take x cube plus this 8y cube becomes 2y whole power 3 and this is c. Instead of c minus 1 is there. So minus 1 whole power 3 minus 3 into what is a? What is a? X. What is b? 2y and z is minus 1. Okay. So if you multiply, you can get this result. Instead of this, we can replace these two factors. Next, question number 5, second subdivision. Again, we are going to take the same identity here. But here, instead of a, b and c, L, M, N are the variables. Okay. So first we are going to write in this form. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Solution: a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Here L cube plus. Actually, you know that 8 is 2 cube. Minus 8 means minus 2m whole power 3. The expansion of minus 2m whole power 3 is minus 8m cube, you know very well. Plus c cube 27. 3 cube is equal to 27, you know that. Minus is minus 3n whole power 2. What is the expansion of this term? Minus cube becomes minus 3 cube becomes 27 n cube. So minus 27 n cube. And the third one should be in the form of minus b. What is a? L. What is b? Minus 2m. And c is minus 3m. If you multiply minus into minus plus, again minus means minus 3 into 2 6, 6 into 3 18, L M N. You can get this result. So it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It can be written as a plus b plus c. What is a? L. B is minus 2m and c is minus 3m. A plus b plus c into a square L square plus b square minus 2m square becomes 4m square plus c square minus 3m square becomes 9m square minus ab minus into minus plus 2 into m. So plus 2m L. 2m L. Minus BC. B is minus 2m and C is minus 3m. Minus into minus plus. And one more minus is there. So we should write minus here. So 2 into 3 6 mn. 6 mn. Last one minus CA. This one minus into minus plus. Clearly we can say 3n into L. 3n L. Okay, these two are the factors of this one. So we have completed exercise 3.5. Here problems related to factorization by using an identity. We have learnt nearly 10 identities. So learn those identities properly. Better you can write twice or thrice. Okay, it will be helpful and it will be in your mind. Okay, so practice example problems. I'll give you as homework. Definitely these identity will help you in higher classes, especially 10th standard and 11th, 12th also. You will apply these identities concept. So learn properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask your concerned teacher during live discussion time. Thank you all. We will see you on next class.